Hey, Justin here from this channel. Honestly, I don't know what to expect, but yeah, I'm here, and we have Xavier from the XK here. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, is his friend of mine, and go check out his channel. There's a link at the top right and link in the description. Shut your
Yeah.
big mouth right now. We're going to be doing a battle between Javelin Japhithere, my favorite Beyblade, um, and Knavious, the first Beyblade I interviewed. See, right? Let's take a quick look at these bays. First, we have
Look at them.
yeah, we have Knavious here. I didn't print this properly, so it's kind of messed up. I'll probably do a reprint in the future, probably. So we have the Navy Slayer. You have the little K there, and it's meant for Kyler from the XK. Uh, the XK is a duo channel of Xavier and Kyler. So again, go check out the channel. Link in the description.
Oh
Um,
yeah.
so we have its spirit or avatar or bit beast, whatever you want to call it. It's a two knights, one wielding a lance and one wielding a shield, which is how these come into play. There, it is an attack defense type, but there's massive gaps between here, which means it's only an attack type. Probably do a redesign in the future. We have the two-part forge disc. First, we have the disc. They literally just call it the two-part forge disc. What am I saying? I'm not Hasbronian.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I have
You
the.
could be. Just buy more Hasbros.
Uh, shut up. We have the two disc from a lot of bays, and we have my custom 3D printed frame, which I call Perry. Put this back together. Why did I put this in the pocket? Next, we have the Unite driver, which goes into play with the attack and defense of Knavious.
Unite's bad.
No, it isn't. You have been blocked by left burst.
I have seen your videos.
Shut your. Be quiet. Left burst has banned you. Next up, we have Javelin Japhithere, the bay I made for myself. I painted it really coolly. It's super coolly painted, unlike this one right here, which is super bland.
Wow, making your own Beyblade better.
Well, technically both of them are my Beyblades. I mean, these Navy is just a commission, so.
Yeah, but I mean, it was meant for someone else. But Javelin was meant for you, so you made it better.
Well, like you wouldn't do that. Anyway,
No, we should make them all equal.
be quiet. Javelin Japhithere. Its bit beast or avatar is a Amphitheatre, which is a kind of dragon. It is a defense stamina type, but this thing is poopy in stamina, so it's kind of just a defense type layer. It has like little wings here, which are supposed to create like some sort of down force, force the bay downwards. But
they're big enough.
The wings are a little small, so they don't work all that much. Next up, we have the disc and frame. We have the 4-disc, which is pretty decent at like everything, and we have the custom frame airbend. The gimmick here on the frame is that on one mode, it has two modes. One mode is that when it's in this mode, it lifts the bay up, and if you take the frame off, flip it upside down, it causes it to move downwards. Basically, the downwards mode makes it have more defense, and the upwards mode makes it have more stamina, because of less friction against the surface of the stadium or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get into a battle right here. I'm in the Starstorm Stadium because I'm too poor to own any other stadium. Oh, and I forgot I'm using the defense driver because I don't know.
I thought you were gonna use bearing.
That's for its other evolution. Wink, wink. Anyway, let's start the battle right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Oh my gosh, Knavious just burst. We're doing this to 10 points. Okay, we'll be doing this to 10 points. I think this little battle's a little unfair because Knavious has slightly weaker teeth. So I'm gonna quickly grab a rubber band. Okay, I'm back, and I put a I put a rubber band on the Unite driver. Shut that music right now, or I will dislike all your videos. JK, I'm not heartless. So this battle should be a little more fair, you know? Okay, let's continue the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh my gosh. This frame, it's this frame. It just scrapes way too much. So the score is 2, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Japhithere, I swear you're supposed to be a defense type. Don't move around. Oh, okay, come back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Knavious just burst Japhithere. Wow.
Just saying, I can't see anything, so,
yeah, I just, no one cares. Whatever, you're just here for commentary, and so that you can take me to Taco Bell later, because that's what you said. If I sponsored your channel on this video, right? We're going to Taco Bell later, right?
Pardon, we're both gonna talk about what?
We're going to Taco Bell later, right?
About later?
We're both going to Taco Bell later because you promised me if I sponsored your channel on this video, right?
Wait, we're gonna talk about what?
Oh my, never mind.
About a boat?
It's never mind. Just continue with the video.
I actually can't hear you.
Just continue with the video.
Okay, you can cut that out.
No, it's fine, man.
Okay, sure.
It's for the antics, man. 3, 2, 1, go. Score is... Oh my gosh. The score is 2-5. Knavious. Knavious is winning. Oh no. Oh. Yeah. Score is 2-5. Okay. Next battle. Let's switch. Knavious.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch the frame because it has a mode change. So we're gonna switch the frame to its stamina mode. See there.
Maybe you can do this.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, there are literal detonations in this stadium. Oh my gosh.
I know, the stadium's not that good.
No, it's the bays. They just have extremely weak teeth, and I swear one of them's gonna snap in two, just like Sprignut over here. What?
Talk about Japhithere since it's your Beyblade.
Did you just say it has chewy teeth?
It's really bad teeth.
Both have really bad teeth. The score is 2-5. Oh my gosh, I can't launch for some reason. I don't know who's gonna win, cause like, Japhithere has this frame which makes it scrape 24/7, but Knavious has weaker teeth. So let's see.
I think Knavious is gonna win.
Okay. Oh, Knavious did a burst, so the score is 5-4. Knavious is still winning. So,
Come on, Knavious.
okay. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was a close one. Another burst to Knavious. So the score is 6-5. Japhithere is winning. Three, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, they're staring each other in the eye. And Japhithere is Japhithere is amazing. It's like just leave. It's too good for this Knavious. Score is 8-5.
No.
Okay. So that means if Japhithere gets one more burst, it's gonna be no. Okay, let's say go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, that was a terrible launch. 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Knavious got a burst on Japhithere. That was a pretty good shot. Okay, the score is 8-7. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Who's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, oh, that was nice. Okay.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Oh, Japhithere got a spin finish. So the score is 9-7. Yeah. Choking on this saliva. Has anyone out there choked on their own saliva? 3, 2.
Go, Knavious!
No way, Japhithere's totally gonna win. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Knavious!
Shut your big, chunky mouth. Oh, it's climbing up the slope. Oh, it's gonna come down to stamina. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, the score is 9-9. Who is gonna win?
Come on, Knavious. You are so close.
The breathing intensifies. Okay, stop that. That sounds weird. Okay. Strength launch. Final launch. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was a really close burst. But that one has to go to Japhithere.
What? No!
That was kind of that was kind of a quick final battle. But the video is getting too long, so yeah. Thanks so much to Xavier from the XK for joining us. Be sure to check out all my other videos and like, subscribe, because so you can turn on notifications and see whenever I post and get a new make a new 3D printed bay. Yeah.
It goes up to the XK as well.
Yeah, because they said if I said that, they would take me out to Taco Bell, right? Right?
Hey, no.
Excuse me? Did you just lie?
Wait, to be honest, I couldn't hear what you said because it glitched out.
But you are still taking me to Taco Bell, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So, see you all later, and adios.